Alright, y'all, so this is it, bro. This is the end, low key. I'm gonna give y'all a little room tour. I guess the moving out room tour. I plan to do a full room tour here, but that just wasn't in the cards for me, you feel me? It wasn't enough space for me to have this comfortably looking type shit to show y'all. But I guess this is it, y'all. I'm moving out. I filmed the last 3 videos at this spot. Showed y'all these recently, which I'm debating on grabbing another colorway for. Debate between the Olympic 4s or 6s. And I honestly forgot the other one. But point being is, it's over, son. Y'all not gonna see the setup looking like this no more.
I ain't gonna say it no more.
I'm actually excited though, because we upgraded to bigger and better. If y'all don't know, I was living in a 1-bedroom, 1-den type situation. I'm in the den right now, so literally like this is all I got, like this wall space, and then there's another wall space right here which I planned to film on, but honestly I had to get a shelf here because I get sneakers on the regular, so it's just accruing type shit. In the clips I'm gonna show y'all in this video, y'all gonna see this shelf, which is gonna seem very empty and dainty and shit, but hear me out. I had like 40 boxes of sneakers on this shelf right here, and then I had like another row of these right there with my little accessories, you feel me? I got a little stool that I'm excited to show y'all. This is basically like a 2-part video, and I know I'm yapping, I apologize. I hardly ever do this on the channel, so bear with me, y'all, for real. It's crazy because like this past month has been difficult, bro. Like I dealt with a bunch of different emotions. Depending on the reception I get from this video, I might speak on in the future. There was a lot of bad shit that happened, and then like good shit happened literally while the bad shit happened. So it's like crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm just trying to move forward. At the end of the day, I'm gonna take all this shit down and it's gonna be a memory. It's kind of sad, but a good thing at the same time, because I was here for like 3 years. We got my setup behind me, you feel me? Damn, I need to switch the lens so y'all can really see. I'm low-key gonna breeze through it because I'm gonna do a better room tour at my new spot. This isn't my official room tour, can't even lie to y'all, but we got the beach ball, bunch of Supreme shit, this Mickey Mouse that I found thrifting, FTP ball, tennis balls, boom, going down, bunch of Supreme lighters, Mickey Mouse and all that, Supreme knives, band-aids, all that, going down, more shit. If y'all want to see my whole Supreme accessory collection, let me know in the comments. Moving on to over my sneaker shelves, we got my little shrine, I guess you could call it. I don't even know what the f this is, but some heat right here, you feel me? The Yeezys, bang, fire. We got Astro Boy, which I actually built with my girl. Shout out to her for getting me this Astro Boy book under that. Nutcracker right there, boom, more Supreme shit. This toolbox is full of Supreme stickers. I'm talking about to the rim almost. Supreme domino set, which I literally paid like $200 for. Head ass, yes. Boom, skate deck, Elmo, you feel me? Fire, boom, boom. Not really trying to show y'all too much because y'all gonna see a way better setup. We got the Greca right there for my Dominicans, you heard? Yes, sir. More shit right there. If y'all want me to start going live again, it's been a minute. I don't know why this is on some live shit. POV head ass. We got the phone right there, you feel me? Disposable with the ski mask, glow in the dark, and then we got my collection. Ooh, y'all gonna see my collection soon, bro. Y'all gonna finally be able to see it all in one place, because this isn't even all in one place. I got a mess right here. Low-key the last bit of clothes I got at this spot. Supreme chair. It's like 60-70% of my collection. Y'all gonna see that soon. Then we turn around, boom, which is what y'all normally don't see. We got this shelf that I was talking about, which is normally full of sneakers to the rim. Cause figure on the wall, fire again. Painted the wall black. Come on, bro. Got the Supreme skate deck wall. One of my favorite features at this spot, especially off that black wall, definitely fire. But I never really got to film in front of it for y'all, which really did suck. Had the whole shit going on. I thought it was gonna be sick. LEDs throughout, you feel me, everywhere, but is what it is. I'm gonna have it a little different now. Down below, we got my standing desk, which yes, I understand is a little dirty. Leave me alone, bro. I just filmed like 3 videos. Please. Standing desk at the next spot is gonna be real nice and clean for y'all when I do the review. Damn, it's a tsunami outside. Cause portrait, y'all can see the vibes. Boom. That's pretty much the room, bro. Let me flip it for them. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for the quote-unquote room tour. If y'all want to see part 2, which is the official room tour, y'all need to get this video to over 250 likes. The new spot is actually gonna be fire because I have like way taller ceilings, so I could like stack shit and make shit look fire. But if y'all want to see that, make sure y'all leave a like on it down below. Also, that way I can be inspired to post, because I'm in the middle of moving and a bunch of other shit at the same time. Make sure y'all just show some love in the comments. Let me know what's your favorite part of the tiny little room, you feel me? I may do with what I could type shit. New joint about to be fire. I'm gassed up. Hopefully y'all are too. We about to get a whole different setup, whole different vibe, new energy. I might even give y'all a whole house tour or apartment tour. I don't even know what to call it really, but I'll bring y'all with me if that's something you want to see. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. On road to 30K, and I have a good feeling about this one. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.